My name is Suraj Kadam. Today I show you the problem that many people face in using Tally. Over 10 million small business owners in India struggle with Tally ERP. Complex interface, language barriers, costly GST mistake, training takes weeks and cost thousands. What if you had a AI assistant that teach you Tally in your own language? Meet Tally Copilot, your AI power assistant built with Gemini 3 Pro. It doesn't just automate, it teach, analyze and guide you through every Tally task. Watch this. Upload any bill photo. Gemini Vision API extract every detail, amount, GST, date, vendor name, and provide step-by-step guidance. It's like having a tally expert sitting beside you, watching your screen and guide you through each field. Built entirely with Gemini 3 Pro multimodal AI, command, image recognition, shortcuts, language support, screen share support. Tally Copilot making Tally accessible to everyone. Learn in days, not weeks. Prevent costly error. Empower 10 million Indian businesses. Try it today. Here you can see language option.
Tally Copilot.
नमस्ते।
Hello.
मैं टाली
I am
कोपायलट
Tally
हूँ।
Copilot.
मैं आपकी मदद कर सकता हूँ।
Here you can also find your insight. Show me a demo expenses analysis report. Here we can see they give a response and they also suggestion.